Okay, the reason that I ran into that problem with the third row is because I don't have sufficient constraints in my sketch, and this led into inconsistencies here. So what I decided to do in this third segment, I'm going to fix that and show you how it's going to work. Okay, I could have left that to you, but I'd rather do it myself. Okay, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these things apart. So we are in assembly, so let me move this thing apart so it makes easier the process of debugging. Then I'm going to go to this sketch for the wedge. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this center, the center of the circle actually lies exactly halfway on the line between where, where these points are. So the first thing is to create a line from this point to that point. And I'm going to turn that thing into a construction line. Then I'm going to make sure that this point, okay, is on that line. So this point control that line, and I want to make sure these are coincident. The only thing is I want to make sure this line is horizontal. So right click and make it horizontal, and then this point, the center of the circle, control that line to be coincident. Good. Now it's going to work. So exit. Update. Okay. Now let's go to our product table and select the, for example, the second row. Apply row. Update. Go to the third row. Apply row. Update. Okay. Everything works out. That constraint got me into trouble. The other thing I wanted to point out to you is that I mentioned that you can change the stuff from here without going to spreadsheet, but this edit cell must be checked. So if you, right now, if I select, for example, this row, I cannot change it, as you can see. However, if you uh, check this box, then you can go here and change it to anything you want. So let me make this thing a very small angle, say 20 degrees. How about that? Well, actually, let's make it 10 degrees. 10 DEG. And then select that row, apply, update. So you can see it. You can also, things can also be changed from here, but you can also do it from the spreadsheet by making the appropriate changes, adding other information. So that concludes the tutorial. Good luck with